Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to create order here in Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Creating an order in Salesforce is a straightforward process and is a crucial part of the sales process, allowing you to manage and track customer purchases effectively. Once you are logged into your Salesforce account, I want you to hover to the app launcher, and that's going to be located beside setup. You see, it's grayed out, but when you hover your mouse, they become like colorful circular buttons. If you do that, you would be able to see this option, the app launcher. Type in orders. You see that? Click on it. Now, here on the upper right corner, you can see the new button. Obviously, we're going to create a new order by clicking this option. Wait for it to load. Now, all I have to do is put in the order information. All right, fill in all the details that is needed here. For the account name, if you don't have one, you can search an account. For example, I'm going to add a new account. All right, just for the training purposes. Account name is going to be this. Phone number, parent account if you have that. If you have the type. For example, is it going to be an analyst, competitor, a customer, integrator, investor, partner, press, prospect, reseller? Let's say it's going to be a reseller. All right. Industry, you can choose from agriculture, apparel, banking, biotechnology, chemicals, so on. There's basically a lot. All right. But of course, we're going for the retail because we're creating a new order, right? So you can put the phone number, the website, and some additional information such as description. Billing address, I leave that to you. And from here, we're just going to click on the save button for now. You see, the account has been added. The contract number. If you don't have any contract numbers, say for example, this. And the order type is going to be a status. I'm going to make it activated. Recent contacts. If you don't have any contacts, we have added that. For example, this. So we don't have that. Now, let me just select the one that's available. John Amos. Search address. And once you're happy, click on save. Click on save, and that's basically how you create a new order here in Salesforce. And thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.